Hey guys, it's Brittany. So in today's video, we're going to be making, I was going to say 5 minutes. I don't know if it's going to really take 5 minutes, but supposedly 5-minute microwave brownies. So with the word microwave in there, I'm assuming it should be pretty easy. Yeah, we're just going to try it out and see if it tastes good, if it works, and if it's worth trying. So with that said, let's get started with the video. It is so hot in here. Guys, look at my cup sleeve. I waited an hour for this cup sleeve. I don't know if it was worth the hour, but I'm making the most use out of it by making it my fan holder. Alright, so you're going to need 1 cup of butter and you're going to microwave this for like 30 to 40 seconds so it's going to be all melted. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the kitchen and do that. Maybe I can do transition. Now the butter's melted, so I put it in there for 40 seconds. So what I'm gonna do is actually transfer it to this bowl because I don't think this is big enough to mix all of it in. So yeah. Oh yeah, why does that look so gross actually? Now we're gonna need 2/3 of white sugar. It said caster sugar, but I'm just gonna use regular sugar. Oh, well, hold on. Yes, it is in a fruit assortment jar. Oh my, no, that is not good. It went all over the floor. And me. Okay, anyways. 2/3. Let's hope this is actually what I need to do. And then you also need another 2/3 of a light brown sugar, but I don't have brown sugar, so we're just gonna use this again. And add a maple syrup. It said like you just have to add like maple syrup to your regular white sugar, and I guess that's just, oh, but I should just wear my glasses. There has not been one video where I did not spill while trying to measure out things. Okay, another 2/3. So like to make it like brown sugar, I guess we're just gonna add like maple syrup, like maybe a tablespoon or something. I'm not gonna measure it. I should probably measure it, but I'm not. It's fine. Maybe one more for good luck. Okay, about that much, I guess. I'm pretty sure you should put like around a tablespoon. It also didn't really say how much vanilla extract to put, so I'm just gonna put a drop, like, oh, maybe a little bit more. Like, oh, okay, that was too much. Oh my goodness. Now we're gonna need 1/2 of a cup of cocoa powder. Grab the cocoa powder, put it in this 1/2 cup cocoa powder in there. Alright guys, so now that we got all of it in here, now we mix it. And while we're mixing, let's catch up. So, maybe I can function better if I have my oh, you can see that. Let's talk about maybe like 2020 so far. We're almost gonna end the year, guys. It's like November. And honestly, this year went by like so fast. Which actually, like, the years have been going really fast ever since like 2010, honestly. Like all the years before that felt so slow. And like I could definitely feel like everything just is going super fast after that. I don't know how to describe the feeling, because I know like me just saying it just sounds like I'm saying it, but I'm actually like feeling it, guys. Like I feel like it is genuinely going faster than it ever did before for the past like 10 years. But I'm really excited for next year. I mean, this year, is it too early to be like so self-reflective in this brownie video? Or maybe I could do it like in a future video, like a Q&A. Oh yeah, I never really did like a Q&A before, so maybe I'll do that in the future. Because I don't know if you guys know too much about me, and like maybe you guys do want to know a little bit more. Like in this videos, I'm just like talking about some recent stuff. But yeah, I'll probably do that soon. It looks like this. There's a few clumps here and there, but I think it should be fine. So now I have 3 eggs, and we're going to add them one by one. So I have egg number 1 in here. Then we mix it up. Maybe I should add the second one now. Honestly, guys, just comment what you want to update me on. I'll read it. Like, honestly, I will. I actually don't receive too many comments, so I really could just read through all of them, honestly. Oh, anyway, so I went to Starbucks this morning, and I tried out another drink that you guys recommended to me. It was actually from like the same question I put on my story. I just like went back to look at the answers again. So today I tried out the mango dragon fruit refresher, but there's a lot of seeds and I could feel the seeds when I'm drinking it. Yeah, that was like, I had to crunch a little each time I took a sip, but it was still pretty good. Third egg. Okay, I think that's enough mixing. Alright guys, so now we take our all-purpose flour. It said plain flour. I'm not very sure what that means, but I'm pretty sure all-purpose flour should be alright. Okay, I'm just gonna do it down here, guys. Sorry, I think I need a C for this one. Okay, so 2/3 of all-purpose flour into this bowl. Now, I'm pretty sure we mix this. So how are you guys liking this clear bowl? Isn't it great? You can see what I'm doing. Because this is actually just a container. So I'm really just mixing in a container. But it does the job. And it's pretty huge. Alright, so like for some reason it wants 1 cup and 1/4 of chocolate chips. I don't have enough for that, I'm pretty sure. So I think it would be like half of a cup. It's fine guys, it's just chocolate chips. It's like not really part of the picture, kind of. Great value, semi-sweet chocolate chips. Half of a cup, should be okay. Okay guys, never mind, I can't microwave this all in one go. Okay, so what you do have to do though, and it says to pour in half of the batter in here. Okay, we'll just do that. The chocolate chips aren't even transferring. One will be chocolate chip and one won't. Does that look like half to you? Maybe not, right? Cause I try to get the chocolate chips in there. Bro, what is half the mixture? I don't know. I can't tell. Bro, I can still see the clumps. It's fine guys, it's fine. Now we microwave this split in half mixture in this small container or like a microwavable tray. Into the microwave for 3.5 minutes. And I'm gonna do that. So see you when it hopefully is done. Okay, wow, hey guys, so I just took it out of the microwave. It's been in there for, yes, 3.5 minutes. And this is how it looks. The top kind of looks like it didn't reach that part as much yet, but I'll just like give it a sec to cool down. Maybe it'll like dry up. It looks very moist right now. It's definitely not the batter anymore. It's microwaved, baked, no, rose, I don't know what to call it. But now we have to do the other half, so I have another one of these containers. Pour that in here and do the same like I did with the first one. Oh, you can't see my face either. That's okay, it's fine. Not like you guys want to see me, right? Just get those chocolate chips. Why are they sticking? Okay, so now we have the rest of it in this second container. And we're going to microwave it for 3.5 minutes again. So, yep. Okay guys, so I actually ended up putting these both in for a minute more separately. I think I did a little bit. I don't know, mine just like didn't look like it was fully done. I'm pretty sure it's fine. I mean, a way you can find out is just like if you poke it. And if your thing comes out clean, it's good. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm just gonna plop them down on this plate. So, oh my god. That's very interesting. Okay, now I'll put the second one. Ooh. They are looking a bit glossy. It's almost like a fudge outer layer, guys. Alright guys, so now we're gonna dust some cocoa powder on here as it says in the instructions. Just gonna do this. A little dust here. A little dust there. Alright guys, now I think it is time to cut it into pieces. I'm using, I think this is a butter knife, but it's fine. Oh, I can't even tell what the middle is. And maybe we'll only eat like a part of that. Get some cocoa powder. And we're going to taste test it now. Okay, don't put extra cocoa powder. My god. Oh, it's pretty good though. But, guys, that was not on purpose at all. I don't know how that even happened. It just like went up my throat and then like... Anyways, that's pretty good. Wait, what? I have to admit, it is quite dense. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have put cocoa powder on top. But then again, it's not a cake, it's a brownie, but I don't know. I think cakes are supposed to be lighter and brownies are supposed to be a little bit more dense, so I guess this counts. Ooh, and the melted chocolate chips inside when it's warm. Wait guys, this is actually really good. And surprisingly, not really much of a fail, even though it looks kind of terrible. Definitely try this out. Even with my weird measurements, it still tastes super good. This is like so good. Maybe like a 9.7 out of 10. I'm just deducting points because I didn't make it look good, but that's just on me. Guys, if you have to ever make like a quick dessert for like something, I think this is the one, guys. Microwave brownie. Like, I'm literally having the time of my life right now, guys. Now I think I'll just like cut it up some more and give the rest to my family, because it does make quite a lot, guys. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make these microwave brownies, and I hope you guys try it out too. If you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Links to my social medias will be in the description box, and if you made it this far in the video, comment down brownie. Get it? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching again, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!